everybody, this is Shelby. Welcome back to Smoky Mountain Traders. Today we're going to be checking out this 1969 Plymouth GTX. If you have any questions at the end of this video, don't hesitate to call or email us. Come on up and let's check it out. What a rare find this car truly is. It's a factory one-owner California car that has original pink slip and California black plates. This is a stunning survivor car that features 90% original paint and is as close to stock as we have ever seen. Across the front, we can see it has the original grille that's stunning, along with the bumper, trim, and fender turn signals that are all working. As we make our way around the driver's side, we can check out the gorgeous styling on this GTX. Come on up and let's check out the interior. It features the original blue interior that is a stunning complement to the exterior. Everything on the inside looks to be original, from the seats to the dash. Looking at the dash, you'll be impressed with the pad as it's near perfect. It also has the original steering wheel, headliner, and visors that are all beautiful. The map light is working as well, along with the radio with the 8-track option. The carpet is also in excellent condition, along with the seal plates. Now that we checked out that beautiful interior, let's make our way around the back. I love the styling on this model GTX, as the taillights tie in perfectly with the truck molding, all of which is stunning on this 69. We can see that the trunk has a near perfect fit, along with the bumper that also has a brilliant shine. As we make our way around the passenger side, I'll take a step back so you can get a better appreciation for the 69. The body on it is laser straight, and you can see a perfect fit of all the panels. You can see the body lines flow perfectly from the front all the way to the back. It's showcased by Alpine White that looks to be 90% original and sports a gorgeous finish. It's accented by the black with red accent stripe down low. This GTX has all the original glass that is absolutely stunning. All of seals and weather stripping are all in phenomenal condition as well. Looking at the trim, you can see it's in excellent condition and shows no signs of abuse. This 69 is also optioned with the N96 Air Grabber Hood. The stance is set off with the correct 14-inch wheels with the Goodyear Polyglass redline tires. Now that we've been around the exterior, come on up and look under the hood of this Mopar. As you can see, everything is as close to original as you will find. It's powered by the matching numbers 440 engine that's set up with the original intake and 4-barrel carb. It's dressed in the factory air cleaner and the factory air grabber set up with the original valve covers. The 440 is mated to the matching number 4-speed trans and the Dana 60 track pack with the 354 gears. Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful Plymouth with me. Like I said earlier, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email us. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media. See you soon.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.